Samsung is expected to introduce intriguing new features for fans of foldable phones. There will be major camera improvements, including a high-resolution primary sensor, in the next Galaxy Z Fold 7, which is anticipated later this year. As to the details provided by Galaxy Club, the Galaxy Z Fold 7 will include the following cameras. A 200-megapixel primary camera, which is the same high-performance sensor as the Galaxy S25 Ultra, a 12-megapixel ultra-wide camera for taking wide-angle photos, a 10-megapixel telephoto lens for high-quality zooming, and a 10-megapixel cover screen selfie camera for taking fast self-portraits can all be found on this device. It is anticipated that the upgraded under-display camera will provide higher-quality inner-screen selfies. The source confirmed that the under-display camera had been upgraded in some manner, but they were unable to confirm if it will maintain its 4-megapixel resolution. Comparatively speaking, the Galaxy Z Fold 6 has a 50-megapixel primary camera at the moment. Since the Galaxy Z Fold 4, Samsung has produced cameras with a 50-megapixel wide angle. Upgrades to 200-megapixel sensors are significant, particularly given that camera specifications haven't changed in a few years. Although it's not commonly accessible, the Galaxy Z Fold Special Edition was the first to surpass 50 megapixels. Under a different name, this device, which debuted last year with a 200-megapixel primary camera but no under-display camera YC technology, is exclusively available in China and Korea. With its foldable phones, Samsung hasn't made many changes. The Galaxy Z Fold 6 has a new design and improved hardware, but it still has the same problems as the previous model: a short battery life, a tiny cover screen, and a crease in the center of the primary display. With the Galaxy Z Fold 7, Samsung could address at least one of these issues. Samsung often purchases its panels from them, even though Samsung Display is a distinct business from the one that manufactures phones. There is a strong possibility that the creaseless panel will be included into the Z Fold 7 now that it is ready. The Galaxy Z Fold May 7 eventually beat out Chinese folding phones in this particular market. Compared to the Z Fold 6, the new technology significantly lessens the crease's visibility. I didn't get to use the gadget, but it was obvious how much nicer the new panel looked simply by comparing the two displays. According to speculations, Samsung is working on a trifold phone that might be released in 2025. The Galaxy Z Fold 7 is anticipated to be released this summer, most likely in July, along with the Galaxy Z Flip 7. Finally, what are your thoughts about it? So without being said, let me know your thought in the comment below, and if you are new here, please subscribe. Peace out.